These days, GIFs seem nearly as popular as words, popping up in everything from text messages to emails, even to online courses. That being said, including GIFs in your presentation is a great way to add visual interest and a bit of humor to make it more engaging for your audience. You can actually make one easily by using the presentation software most of us are already familiar with. And this is the Microsoft PowerPoint, and here's how to do it. First, open a new blank presentation, and for this demonstration, we'll use the Insert Pictures and turn them into a GIF. But you can also add text, word arts to make GIF. Change first the slide size by going to the Design tab, and then select Slide Size. You can play with the size, but here we'll choose Custom to 6 by 6 inches. Then, insert your media by navigating into the Insert tab, then select Picture, and upload any pictures that you would want. Set up your presentation, complete with any illustrations, pictures, animations, and add in transitions if you want. And when you're done, select the File tab, click on Export, and choose Create an Animated GIF. The default quality is medium, but you can use a drop-down box to change it to a higher or a lower setting if you prefer. You can also make the background transparent if you'd like. Then select the minimum seconds spent on each slide, and when you're ready, select Create GIF, and the PowerPoint will begin saving your presentation as a GIF. It will also notify you when it's done. Processing time depends on the file size and the quality setting. And the end result will be a continuously looping GIF file that you can locate on your selected folder to see your creation. And that's how you create GIFs using PowerPoint. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.